So I'm here at CES 2025, and I've been here for like a little bit now. I lost this thing, and that hurt like a beat. So I want to go give y'all a rundown on how I feel about these Ray-Ban Metas. Shout out to Samsung for actually flying me out here to New York City. '26 is gonna be a dope year, I'm telling you now. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce it to you, 2026. I think that's how DJ Cole did it, right? So yeah, it's been a minute since I sat in front of a camera. I ain't even gonna lie to you, not ever since I did like my Galaxy tab and Punta Cana. I mean, I did do some YouTube shorts with my Osmo Pocket 3 at CES, which by the way, can y'all even believe it? I can't believe I didn't lose a camera in Vegas for once. I'm not trying to jinx myself again, I gotta knock on wood. But you know what, let's just cut all this and let's just get straight to the chase right now. So yeah, clearly consistency is not my thing. And I don't even know where this came from, like believe it or not, consistency actually used to be my thing, all right? But now I ain't posted a video in like a month now. To be fair though, I do have 2 new car channels now, which I also don't post that much on. But I said this in 2025 and I'm saying this in 2026. That needs to be addressed and I need to figure out how to get back on there. Cause like I said, my consistency used to not be this bad at all and now I need to get back to something. My consistency got so bad to the point where I had to get rid of my upload schedule. Like that's how bad it is now. I used to be every 3 days, I used to be every 2 days. Now I don't even have any days. But if you look at my channel's homepage, I did get a new profile picture. I am getting a new cover and like I'm just overall rebranding this whole channel. You saw with the new intro and everything, like I'm trying to switch a lot of stuff up now. I'm getting a new style of videos, like a lot of things gonna be changing. So like I said, 2026 gonna be a dope year. That's just like, I just gotta put the videos out to do it. I bought this whole desk setup and everything that you see behind me. Like this is a Rode NT1. Do you know how good of a microphone that is? That's a great microphone for streaming. And also over here, you can see that I have, what is this over here? Stream Deck XL. I got new speakers, I got new everything. I got a whole desk setup over here that I don't use because I ain't been live streaming. So yeah, the Elite VIP streams and the Sunday Night Chill Check Talks definitely gotta make a comeback in 2026 for sure. And overall, I'm just trying to switch it up, you know what I'm saying? Why am I recording in my garage right now? I don't know, I just wanted to record over here because it's not in my desk. But overall, I just want to get out more, you know, I just want to go and do more videos out on the go and just like switch it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Like I've been wanting to do this for a minute now. Cause look, I do videos in the car all the time, right? But how many times can I do a car video? I don't know, man. I just gotta switch it up a little bit. Hey, Melly, say what's up to YouTube. Melly, what up? What up, bruh? Overall, I just want to go and switch things up, man. I've been thinking about this for a little while now, and like, you know me, I ain't gonna switch up, I ain't gonna fold, I'm gonna just stay true to me, you know what I'm saying, right? I'm always still gonna be unapologetically me, man, no matter how long my dreads get, cause damn, this got long. But hey, now that I got more opportunities, it might help me move around a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? Like, for example, like, I didn't even tell y'all this, but Samsung, it seemed like they are definitely gonna fly me out for Galaxy Unpacked. I don't know where it's gonna be at yet. I have a feeling I know where it's gonna be at, but I don't know for sure yet. And they're gonna fly me out for Galaxy Unpacked for the S26, or yeah, we're on the S25, right? Yeah, S26. You see they flew me out to New York City for the Fold 7 and the watch and all that. Like, I'm so hyped, man. Like, I can't wait for that. Just stay tuned, man. I got a list of videos to work on, and y'all better be ready for that, so stay tuned.